Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top makeup products all under rupees 500 only. If you are someone who's just stepping into the makeup world and doesn't want to spend too much on makeup products, then this video is going to be perfect for you. I have been using these products for a long time and these products have been my go-to. So don't further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with the budget primer, this is from Lakme. This is their Absolute Blur Perfect primer. This has the mousse like texture and a pink undertone on it. This primer smoothens out your skin really well and this is perfect for normal to oily skin type. Makeup glides like a dream on top of this primer. You can get their mini size on much cheaper price and I think you have to give it a try. For the next step is to cancel out your dark spots and pigmentation. I chose this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm in the shade Caramel and it is a beautiful concealer which gives you a full coverage and stay on your face for a long day. It doesn't have a lot of shade variety, but if you are able to get a perfect match on this concealer, then girl, you are blessed. After concealer, the next step is the foundation. For the foundation, I chose this Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation. This is my OG foundation. पहले तो इनका formula मुझे उतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं था, but in these days I think they changed their formula a little bit and now it is a great foundation on budget and especially you can get a lot of shade variety on it, so you can get your perfect match easily. This foundation gives you a medium coverage and you can easily build it up. It has a runny liquidy consistency which is perfect to work with, and this foundation gives you a demi matte finish which looks natural and feels comfortable. To set your base, I choose this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I know it's a little bit higher on budget, but trust me guys, this powder sets your base like a dream. It blurs out your skin, gives you a perfect amount of coverage and prevents your base whole day from creasing. You know what, मुझसे लिख के ले लो, on this budget ऐसी क्वालिटी की लूज पाउडर आपको पूरी मार्केट में नहीं मिलेगी. Especially the quantity they give, it's a win-win for me. On this powder, my shade is 30, which is really good match for my skin tone. And here's a quick trick from me. Use this powder with a damp beauty blender and that gives you a creaseless base for a whole day wear. For blush, you can easily use these kinds of shade from your eyeshadow palette or you can easily use a lipstick as a blush. Especially if you are on a budget, I don't think you need an investment on a blush. But if you want a separate blush, I suggest you these blushes by Sugar. They performs really well. For bronzing, I suggest the Wet n Wild Contour Deforce palette. You can see how much I love this palette. Shade of this bronzer goes really well with Indian complexion, especially on duskier skin type. If your complexion is darker than mine, it might not works for you. अगर आपकी complexion मेरी तरह है या फिर मुझसे lighter है, it will definitely works for you. I use this bronzer to chisel up my cheek, contour my nose and a transition shade of eyeshadow. I didn't give a eyeshadow palette suggestion for this video. I will make another video for that with a couple of eyeshadow palette suggestions. If you want to know which palette I have using on this video, it's a dupe of Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I create a simple look for this video. Just apply a transition shade and a brownish pink shade on top of it and apply a pink shimmer on half of my lid. For my brows, I use this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is just rupees 75 and is awesome. For my kajal, I use this Plum Kohl Whole Day Wear Kajal. It will gives you a one swipe pigment and will not smudge for a whole day. If you love wearing kajals only, give it a try. You will falling in love with it. For eyeliner, I use this Lakme Instaliner in black. I tried a couple of different eyeliners, but I always come back to this liner cause it is affordable and it gives a matte finish which I really like. For mascara, I recommend this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is a beautiful mascara on budget. You can easily get their waterproof version of this mascara, but personally I prefer their washable ones cause I didn't like the struggle when I'm removing it. When you applied this mascara, it gives you a really volumizing effect on your lashes and it curls your lashes too. Can you see my lashes are really thin, but this mascara does a great job and makes my lashes voluminous. And for the lips, here I choose two formulas. One of them is Maybelline Creamy Matte one. You can get a lot of shade variety on it, but here I am showing Nude Nuance. This is a beautiful nude lipstick. Next up is this My Glam Liquid Lipstick. It also has a wide variety of shades to choose, and their shades are beautiful for Indian skin tones. But this is in the shade Kitten Fish. This is a dark maroon color, and formula of this lipstick is not so liquidy, more like moussey texture. After drying, it looks super matte and it will not budge at all. And the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipsticks has a creamy formula when you apply, but after settling down, it looks matte and really comfortable to wear. For the highlighter, I chose Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. This is a really great highlighter. It looks amazing on dusky skin type, but you can also use this kind of shimmer shades from your eyeshadow palettes also. This Wet n Wild highlighter is finely melted and it's not at all chunky, but you can build it up and get a party kind of glow. If you are a makeup beginner, I really hope that this video helps you give some direction to what product to get yourself and how you should start your makeup journey. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye bye.